Hello everybody, this is my second video about the unit organizer. The first video is just how to basically make one and what they're used for and why they're good. And this one I want to show you kind of how to take your unit organizer to another level and kind of turn it more into a HyperDoc. So I've got the same unit organizer that I used in the first video, but I've done some little work in between. So now I have my Google Classroom all set up where I've created the unit of social change in my Google Classroom, and I've put in all my little like assignments and things that they're all fake, but I've put them all in here to for the students. And then I've also made a fake slideshow, which it's basically just empty, but I want to show you how you could connect all of this into your unit organizer. So here's my unit organizer, and say I want to start putting in my slideshow into here because I'm going to share this as a view only with my students, as this is kind of their landing zone for the unit. They can go to all of the stuff for the unit just off of this organizer. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to say, okay, presentation, the first day we're going to work on just like the counterculture. So I'm going to go to my slide deck and find the page where I start talking about the counterculture, and then I'm going to take the address of it, which is the address for this specific slide, not the whole slideshow, and I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go back to my unit organizer. I'm going to highlight the word the counterculture, the words, and then I'm going to use my link button here, and I'm going to paste that right in there. Now I apply that. Now when your student clicks this link, it will take them directly to that page, and I'll show you how that works here. I can do the same thing for women's rights, the environment, all that. So I'll just do the next one. So you have women's rights page. I skipped through all of it to find the one I want. Copy. Now I'm going to highlight women's rights movement. Oops. That's if I use the right part of the mouse. Highlight the women's rights movement, hit link, and then paste that, and apply. And now we've done that. And we could do that all the way through, but I'm not going to waste your time doing that. We can also hyperlink in the assignments. So the first one is called Baby Boomer Data Assignment. So back here in my Google Classroom, in my classwork where all my assignments are, I find Baby Boomer Data Assignment. And over here, I have this option. I click the three dots, and I have this option to copy link. I'm going to copy that link. And then back in my unit organizer, Baby Boomer Data Assignment. I'm going to highlight that, hit my link, paste that in there, hit apply. And now when your student clicks on that, it will take them right to this assignment. And you can keep doing that. You can put in websites about each of these things and link them into here. You can do all kinds of things on this. So I'm going to actually switch accounts really quick to my alter ego, a fake account that I have set up. And so now you can see I'm looking at it from as if I was the student. And so I'm the student now, and I click counterculture because I want to go back and review that, or my homework's about that, slideshow or whatever. I click that, and it opens the slideshow, and then immediately takes me right to the slide that the teacher linked for me. I can do that with I could do it from the right account. I can do that with the women's rights movement. It's going to take me directly, it's going to open the slideshow and then take me directly to the women's rights movement slide in the slide deck. So pretty cool how you can do that. And then like I've got this assignment here, the Baby Boomer Data Assignment, and click on that. And then it's going to take me right into Google Classroom, or right to the Baby Boomer Data Assignment as a student. Then I can go in here and work on that. So you've taken your regular little unit plan here, and you've really spruced it up just by putting hyperlinks in that are connected to your Google Classroom or your slide deck or websites or videos. We can link this to videos on YouTube. I mean, you name it, you can make links to it. And then this whole thing becomes sort of a landing place for students. They land here, and then, so this is the student view. They land here, and they can maybe click this to watch these videos. They can click on the Clean Air Act and get an article about the Clean Air Act from maybe the Gale resource or something like that. Whatever you might have, different little, can you solve this? Can you solve this problem? Can you find out how fast this vehicle is moving? Whatever you want in here, but you put it all in here. You link it all out. You share that with the student, and then the student has like a one place for all that kind of stuff. So it's pretty cool, and I would like that as a student. Pretty powerful. So I hope you give it a try. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for